Hello, I'm Mayor Susan Seaman. As I mentioned in my previous communications, the City of Eureka is working diligently to support the health and well-being of our citizens, our community, and our economy during the COVID-19 pandemic. Today, I wanted to share some information about the new facial covering requirement, as well as share some resources about the stimulus checks for those of you who may still have questions. Here in Humboldt County, wearing facial coverings became mandatory at 12:01 a.m. on Friday, April 24th. This requirement will be in place until the order is rescinded. While city staff are working on plans with the County Office of Emergency Services to carefully reopen the community, we want to develop healthy habits like wearing a mask that will provide the safest transition. A timeline has not been established for reopening, but we will provide details as they become available. Beginning today, you'll be required to wear facial covering before entering any indoor facility except for your own place of residence, any enclosed space, and any outdoor space where you can't maintain a distance of 6 feet from others. Now and in the future, facial coverings are a tool we can use to decrease transmission in our community by protecting the public if the wearer is infected but not displaying symptoms. Facial coverings may reduce the risk of spreading this virus by limiting the spread of these droplets from our wearer to other people. According to the CDC, facial coverings should cover your nose and mouth, fit snugly but comfortably against the side of your face, be secured with ties or ear loops, include multiple layers of fabric, allow for breathing without restriction, and be able to be laundered and machine dried without damage or change to shape. There are 3 groups that are exempt from wearing facial coverings. They include children under the age of 2, people who have trouble breathing, and anyone who cannot put on or remove the facial covering without help from somebody else. In addition to wearing facial coverings, please remember that they are not a substitute for social distancing. Please continue practicing to social distance and wash your hands frequently to reduce the spread of COVID-19. Anybody can spread it, and anybody can catch it. While the scientific community has made progress towards understanding COVID-19, it's still a new disease, and we are learning more about it every day. I've also received some questions about how seniors or others who may be on Social Security or don't have access to a computer can check the status of their stimulus check. If you receive Social Security benefits, the IRS will deposit or mail your economic impact payment in the same manner that you receive your benefit. If you do not receive Social Security and you didn't need to file a tax return in 2018-2019, you can supply your banking information directly to the IRS using their free file tool. If you don't do this step or you don't have access to a computer, you'll be mailed a paper check automatically. You can use the IRS website, Get My Payment, to check on the status of your stimulus check. Please be alert for COVID-19 stimulus check scams. Remember that the IRS will never call, text, or email you to collect personal or financial information. If you've been contacted by somebody with a suspected fraudulent offer, please contact your local law enforcement agency. The most up-to-date factual information on the COVID-19 virus continues to be made available on the City of Eureka website at ci.eureka.ca.gov. The city's website has regular City of Eureka updates and links to the Humboldt Health Alert, the California Department of Public Health, and the Center for Disease Control. Again, I'm Mayor Susan Seaman, and I appreciate your attention to this message and your commitment to doing everything you can to protect our community. Be safe, stay healthy, be kind with yourself, and kind to your neighbors and families. Take care of yourself. We'll talk again soon.